this video, I'm going to show you how to use the clipping mask on a very simple drawing. So I've created a square canvas and I'm going to use my tropical colors. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to select my brush, which is going to be my favorite dry ink one. And then I'm going to go for a nice circle. I'm just going to draw that and fill it with color. Okay, so there's my circle. So to that layer, I'm going to add another layer and I'm going to select the clipping mask. I'm going to change the color and I'm going to go for a light blue, and I'm going to use the soft airbrush because what I want to do is I want to just do a nice kind of blue haze across the top. And then I'm going to select another layer on top of that and I'm going to clip it and make that a clipping mask as well. So that clipping mask is on top of both of those, and I'm going to choose a different color. It's very dark blue, and I'm going to darken this part. So as you can see, I'm kind of drawing the earth. So there's the very dark part. We're obviously going around the sun. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another clipping layer and clip that as well. So that'll be clipped to all three of those layers, but on top of this base layer. And I'm going to choose another color, and I think I'll go for this kind of sandy color maybe. And I'm going to choose another brush, which is going to be the tweed one that I imported from, or that Joe sent us. And I'm just going to paint the tweed across the middle, and as you can see, it's kind of going over the top and bottom sphere. But I don't want that to happen. I want it to go under those. So I'm just going to drag that under both of those layers, and then you can see that clipping has gone underneath the other two, right? And what I want to do now is I want to add a shadow. So I'm going to go back to my base layer and I'm going to add another layer, but I don't want it to clip. So, and I actually want it to be underneath that layer. And then I'm going to choose a shadow color. We'll just make it black. And I'm going to, choose another brush. And I'm going to go back to my dry ink. And then I'm just going to draw a little bit of a shadow under here. And that'll be, actually I don't really like that because I haven't drawn hard enough. I want a nice hard shadow. And as you can see, that's going right underneath my original drawing. And let's give it a nice hard line. Hold that. There we go. So I've drawn a ball and I've given it, I drew the original ball, the layer one, and then I added 3 clipping layers on top of that to get this effect. And then I just added a layer at the bottom. So I'll just show you those. Might as well neaten this up and color it all in. So that's my shadow layer. There's my original layer. There's one of the clipping masks, second clipping mask, third clipping mask. And you can see I can change the sequence. So that's what happens when I move that central layer around. And I don't really want that kind of hard effect, which is why I've chosen to put this one under those layers. And there we go. That's my spinning globe. And thanks for watching.